Super tired. I just woke up and it is 6:30. I'm going to walk you guys through my morning routine as a stay-at-home mom. I'm about to brush my teeth, bathroom, and then put on some clothes, and then go wake the kids up and get them ready, brush my son's teeth, get him dressed. He has daycare today, so on days we go to daycare, we get him dressed, get him some breakfast, brush his teeth. Yeah, and then it'll just be me and my daughter today, but I'll walk you through our morning routine, what we do every morning, regardless of if he has daycare or not. Yeah, and that'll be just about it. But usually in the mornings when I wake up, I lay in the bed, staring at the ceiling, thinking, why do I have to wake up so freaking early? But right now I don't hear my kids, so I'm thinking I could maybe get away with sleeping a little bit extra, but I'm not going to. Because before I drop my son off, I like to make sure that he gets something to eat before I let him eat breakfast there, because you know, what if he doesn't want it? So that's just me going the extra mile. But yep, about to pop on some clothes. Well, some bottoms, I guess. I'm gonna keep this shirt on. That's about it. I haven't made the bed, so don't worry about that. And I guess I will meet you guys in the bathroom because I have to brush my teeth.
Got my bitch a condo, flew that bitch out to the hills. Flexing Gucci bag in hand, check the Kodak wheel. Percocets and high tech amplify her every feel. All this ice on my neck and they wonder why I'm ill. I just caught the flu, check. I just wet my wrist, protect. Flex, pull up in that all white vet, jet. Snap that Kodak picture when I approach your bitch.
3-5-4 farm off the paint, going dumb. Hoes want taste me like young. Check my drip, got them sprung. OG Kush, fill my lungs. Every hit, so I know. Bitch, I'm lit, what's above? On my shit, fuck you bones. Million wrist, press the trunks. Cross bite, diamonds froze. Kodak moment for my charms. Coffee cup, sipping O's. Soda bottle, pouring foes. Grind and get, all I know. Busted down, supplying the smoke. Used to picture by the O's. Now foreign cars, my favorite sport. Tap the pedal, I'm gone. Before I just a guard. Pandora, what I'm on. Why your bitch calling my phone? On my dick won't leave me alone. I got a period on my door. Like, whoa, oh. All we know is get that back. Gotta running up a check. Where we at, you ain't gotta check. Hit your next, like, fuck who got next. Bitch, we all about that bag. You know racks, nigga, yeah. Must ain't check the Kodak real cut.
Got my bitch a condo, flew that bitch out to the hills. Flexing Gucci bag in hand, check the Kodak wheel. Percocets and high tech amplify her every feel. All this ice on my neck and they wonder why I'm ill. I just caught the flu, check. I just wet my wrist, protect. Flex, pull up in that all white vet, jet. Snap that Kodak picture when I approach your bitch. Click, flash, just without the light in a new Jag. $1 million scheme, that's a new bag. I just told your bitch, how did you do that? Yeah. The way my beat can call, she can't help but come. Yeah, yes, it's got her hypnotized, and she can't even run. Roll the UFO, big face, just watch how it glow. Ice cap, North Pole on my bitch.
Ooh, nice hair. Ooh. Say hi. Say hi. Hi.
Get out of here, yeah, I'm gone. Brought my bitch a condo, flew that bitch out to the hills. Flexing Gucci bag in hand, check the Kodak reel. Percocets and high tech amplify her every feel. All this ice on my neck and they wonder why I'm ill. I just caught the flu, check. I just wet my wrist, protect. Flex, pull up in that all white vet, jet. Snap that Kodak picture when I approach your bitch.
Straight up sad beats, Mac Black Tech, Mac a lab, a living lab. Check the Kodak reel, she tryna cop the feel. Check the Kodak reel. Went from a place where niggas get killed to living in the hill. Man, we gon' flex, flexing, ballin' off the lots. Is any pop the pill? I take pop the seal. The AP chain and put that on my bitch. She in the cockpit, not knowing shit, she might get flipped. Drop the deuce in the fan, take a sip the back. Rolling up a whole zip. OG, Kush, I take all in this cup. Don't forget to smoke. Gonna take a puff. Watch us beam you up.
Watch us beam you up. Brought my bitch a condo. Check the Kodak reel. Percocets and high tech amplify her every feel. All this ice on my neck and they wonder why I'm ill. I just caught the flu, check. I just wet my wrist, protect. Flex, pull up in that all white vet, jet. Snap that Kodak picture when I broke your bitch.
And now we're in the car. It is now 7:30 and we're heading to daycare. We've already had our breakfast. Well, not me, him. And now we're going to daycare for the day. So it'll just be me and my daughter hanging out. I don't have her in the car. It takes me a little bit longer to get both of them ready every morning. So that'll be a routine for another day. But if I can leave her at home because of their grandmother is home before she goes to work, then I will do that so I can cut off some time on my morning trips. Oh, it's a school zone. Maybe I should slow down. Maybe I shouldn't be on the phone. Well, you know, I'm not holding it, so that's okay. Oh, okay. I see you bold. It's so funny when people are bold, but yet they have the nerve to mouth something off in their car, you know, from the safety of their car. It's okay, though. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much my morning routine. Always getting up early, always taking like an extra 5-10 minutes of just laying in the bed because I'm like, why God, why? Because it's so early and children don't know. I'm gonna tell you, they don't know the meaning of take a nap or go to sleep, because back in my day, homegirl valued a nap. Okay, I'll tell you that. You can even ask my mom. I love sleep. I still love sleep. I'll take a nap like right now if I, well, not right now because I'm driving and I got my child in the car. But yeah, I just, you know, I don't know why they don't want to sleep, because when they get older, they're gonna, you want to see, man? They're gonna value the idea of sleep when they actually figure out life. But whatever. Oh, morning rides to daycare. We just love these. Alright, I'm turning in to drop my baby off. We made it, buddy. Mommy's gonna miss you. Okay, and we are here. Yep. There we go. You ready to go in? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You not gonna say bye-bye? He like, no. I'm ready to get away from you, woman. I've just now gotten to the point where I don't cry now. But I still call up here like 15 times a day to check on my baby. Alright guys, and that is going to be it for this video. Just my little morning routine, what I do every other day. And then every day I have both babies because he only goes to daycare, you know, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So, yep. It just gives me a little bit of a break to, you know, film videos or take a nap. But yes, that will be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed walking through my morning with me and my baby. Say hi, baby. And he like, bitch. Anyway, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know whenever I upload next. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.